Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Mozam Khan, and I'm a Senior Program Manager in our ISV Journey and Marketplace team.
Hello, I'm Christine Alford. I'm a Director in our Commercial Marketplace Product Management team here at Microsoft. Mozam and I are excited to join you today to talk about the opportunity for co-selling and landing enterprise deals through Marketplace, and how this can accelerate your success. Today, we're going to highlight the opportunity to use the Commercial Marketplace. We'll start by walking through deal making today to understand why customers across all industries and segments are shifting to cloud marketplaces. Then we'll see how you can get ahead of this trend to best meet your customers where they want to be. We'll explore the capabilities Microsoft is building to uniquely launch your business and help you drive deals and customer engagement via the marketplace. And lastly, we'll look at some real-life success stories of partners delivering millions of dollars every month in sales. Enterprise deal making is complex. Having sold software into billions of customers, from solopreneurs, small and medium businesses to every Fortune 500 company, Microsoft understands well that the B2B buying journey for software is filled with many different evaluation points and often many stakeholders. The traditional procurement workflow for on-premises software, from evaluation to purchase, can take up to 10 months or more. Cloud marketplaces don't aim to bypass these critical decision steps or decision makers. We aim to enable stakeholders to move through these decision points with greater ease and simplicity. Maintain the due diligence, but with less hard work. Let's take contract negotiation as an example. With features like standard contracts, we allow legal and procurement departments to review a contract just once and immediately enable faster deal flow for future purchases. But with contract amendments, customers or vendors can still have the flexibility to define terms specific to their needs. Ratings and reviews is another example. Finding references or similar customers to engage used to be laborious and could take weeks just to set up calls. With integrated ratings and reviews, we enable customers to gather a richer set of feedback from a broader, global set of users at the click of a button. Experiences like these help enable swifter decision-making and are increasingly driving customers to online marketplaces for B2B software sales. And third-party analysts agree. Gartner estimates that by the end of 2025, 80% of sales transactions will take place through digital channels. Meanwhile, Bessemer Ventures confirmed that sales cycles through cloud marketplaces are 50% faster than through traditional channels, which is a win-win for both customers and vendors alike. And a recent study by Tackle.io recorded that 83% of enterprise buyers say they are likely or very likely to purchase via online marketplaces in the future. That's more customers going to cloud marketplaces with higher spending budgets, closing faster deals. In the world of cloud GTM, there is one platform, the Microsoft Cloud, for partners to build for every imaginable customer need, to list to one central catalog and engage across a number of different channels. For us, Marketplace is the center of gravity to connect every partner to reach the massive scale of every Microsoft customer. Whether that is engaging directly through our digital storefronts, Microsoft AppSource and Azure Marketplace that get millions of visitors every month, embedding your solution in product experiences like Microsoft Teams with 270 million daily active users, scaling through the strength of our distribution network of over 90,000 partners in the Cloud Solution Provider program, or selling with Microsoft and activating our 35,000 global sales force. Through Marketplace, we enable customers to purchase and deploy and then advocate as they develop relationships and acquire more partner solutions. We are actively working with our partners to drive innovation and help them be successful on Marketplace to serve our shared customers and offset the cost of customer acquisition. The value proposition for customers is clear. As the demographic of technology buyers shifts to those that expect digital-first consumer experiences, more buyers will demand the same level of simplicity and convenience from their business-to-business experience. Through our commercial marketplace, buyers can increase efficiency by accelerating decision-making and due diligence in deal-making and relieve ongoing procurement overhead. Buy confidently with Microsoft's trusted partner network and by reviewing partner profiles for skill designations and attestations. And maximize investments as consolidated billing allows to rationalize spend across departments and ensure they're getting the most out of those investments. For ISVs, the marketplace represents an opportunity to, firstly, reach Microsoft customers. For Microsoft, the commercial marketplace is the connector between ISVs and customers. It's an engine dedicated to accelerating growth. By selling through the commercial marketplace, you get access to the 1 billion people that use Microsoft technology, the 97% of Fortune 500 companies who are using the Microsoft Cloud. And by publishing transactable apps on the commercial marketplace and integrating with our global commerce engine, you get access to global customers instantly without hiring any boots on the street sales support. Secondly, it's about simplifying sales. Marketplace provides the opportunity to more efficiently reach your target buyers through digital experiences, ultimately building sales pipeline with options such as free trial software, Contact Me, and Get It Now experiences. And with enhancements to private offers in the commercial marketplace, you can now create a unique private offer per customer within just a few clicks. This helps you unlock larger deals with enterprise customers. So thirdly, it's about unlocking growth. One of the main motivators for customers to buy through the commercial marketplace is to decrement pre-committed cloud spend. Microsoft offers 100% of sales through the Azure Marketplace for IP co-sell eligible solutions to count towards a customer's Microsoft Azure consumption commitment, or MAC. MAC sales represented 52% of billed sales in FY22. With margin sharing, ISVs can also accelerate their growth by directly incentivizing eligible partners to sell their solutions, allowing them to lower customer acquisition costs and scale business to new customers globally. Now, let's hear from Mozum how you can take action to unlock these benefits and more by selling through the marketplace.
Thank you, Christine. Until recently, I was a field seller supporting marketplace adoption across enterprise customers in Asia Pacific. It was there that I experienced firsthand the incredible momentum that B2B procurement is gaining through this go-to-market channel. Looking at this across the Microsoft ecosystem, we see more and more ISV partners adopting Marketplace as their preferred go-to-market channel. We've had tremendous marketplace growth. Deal sizes increased 52%, which is largely attributed to our private offers and consumption commitment advancements. The number of SaaS solutions published went up by 77%. And we've seen nearly 300% growth in our SaaS build sales. One of the key ways accelerating sales through the marketplace is to join forces with and co-sell with Microsoft's field sellers. Co-selling with Microsoft is defined as any collaborative engagement between Microsoft and our partner ecosystem, including building demand, sales planning, sharing sales leads, accelerating partner-to-partner empowered selling, and delivering marketplace-led commerce for customer transformation. Specifically for ISVs, the Azure IP co-sell program aims to raise the visibility of Azure IP solutions to our sellers and generate new co-sell opportunities for you, our partners. Your sellers will be able to engage with the Microsoft sellers who are incentivized to draw on your industry expertise to accelerate our customers' digital transformation. In the last fiscal year, partners landed $15 billion in revenue across 63,000 deals that they successfully won and close with Microsoft field sellers. These engagements will result in almost $250 billion in total contract value. Our field is incentivized to sell your solutions that are discoverable in our marketplace catalog and Azure IP co-sell eligible. By tapping in, you can unlock the power of our 35,000 global field sellers to collaborate with you to scale new markets and close more sales. But Marketplace is also the gateway to other forms of cooperative selling. Being in the Marketplace also opens you up to our 90,000 partners in the cloud solution provider ecosystem. You can leverage and even incentivize this expansive network to grow your business or scale your sales presence in markets or geographies where you aren't even operating today. Amplify the benefits of co-sell by selling through the Marketplace. Here, you get to enjoy tapping into some of our large enterprise customer Microsoft Azure commitment to consume commitments, which saw a 319% year-on-year growth last fiscal year. Christine will be explaining more on what this means shortly. Secondly, co-sell through the Marketplace automates deal validation for certain deals below $1 million in annual contract value, and that makes co-selling easier. Furthermore, you can simplify your sales processes by letting customers purchase your transactable solutions through customers' existing procurement arrangements with Microsoft. Here, Microsoft handles invoicing and even taxation and exchange rate conversion in certain geographies. Marketplace Rewards is a free program that provides benefits to all Microsoft commercial marketplace publishers that are designed to help you market and sell your solutions and generate leads with Microsoft's field and through Microsoft's channel by leveraging the commercial marketplace. As you grow your sales through the commercial marketplace, you unlock new benefits designed to help you maximize your direct selling experience and sets you up for success to grow your business. And this unlocks additional incentives for Microsoft's field sellers to engage with and support you. There are a couple of steps that you will need to enjoy the benefits of co-selling through the marketplace and selling to customers with Macs with our field sellers. First, you need to publish a transactable application, which ensures that your application is integrated with and ready to be purchased through Microsoft. Secondly, you'd need $100,000 in partner-reported ACR in the last 12 months. And thirdly, you need to complete a technical validation to ensure that your solution uses 50% or more repeatable IP code on Azure. Alongside these, you'd also have to ensure that your application meets the co-sell ready requirements. I now pass the time back to Christine, who is going to walk us through some of our key features and recent product developments.
Thanks, Mozam. In addition to all the programs and support that we're offering to help you unlock the many benefits of a cloud go-to-market motion, we're backing this up with a market-leading product experience. At Microsoft, we're laser-focused on ensuring our customers and partners can transact deals with all the customization and flexibility you need while still maintaining the simplicity we expect of an online marketplace experience. I'm excited to share some of our latest product updates with you today. Mozam mentioned the benefits of co-selling with Microsoft. Having a transactable solution in the marketplace is also a critical step on the pathway to getting co-sell status. Our field is incentivized to sell these solutions that are discoverable in our one marketplace catalog. So you can unlock the power of our 35,000 field sellers by transacting in the marketplace. To make this process simpler and more transparent, we've recently launched capabilities that allow you to self-serve in Partner Center to understand if you've met the thresholds to achieve co-sell status. We've also created increased transparency into our managed customer list. Now, directly in the co-sell workspace in Partner Center, when you log a deal and enter your customer name, you can see if it's a Microsoft managed account and connect with the appropriate account reps directly. We know you want to get recognized for the deals you've registered quickly and with high fidelity and transparency. As such, we've launched automatic deal registration for co-sell deals up to $1 million. This means deals close faster and our sellers see their quota attainment hit just as quickly as deals outside of Marketplace. If a deal doesn't yet qualify, your seller will immediately see a reason provided. And coming soon is automated deal validation via Marketplace private offers. This will mean we take full advantage of the nature of a digital marketplace and leverage a deal's digital footprint to simplify co-sell processes for our partners and sellers. This means the commercial marketplace will soon become the fastest and most reliable way to do co-sell with Microsoft. We've also focused on easing the offer creation and management process for you by enabling publishers to easily convert Contact Me offers to transactable offers without having to recreate offers from scratch. You can also change prices of previously published plans, and Microsoft will schedule the price change to align with future billing cycles. Multi-year SaaS is another capability helping to drive major enterprise deals. Multi-year SaaS is helping ISVs commit longer-term deals to secure extended contracts with custom payment terms. Since general availability, 66% of multi-year SaaS deals are customers purchasing 3 years upfront, often to meet their cloud consumption commitment. We know customers want to maintain their relationships with vendors, not just for the depth of understanding that you have on their business, but for the special contracts, custom terms, and/or special pricing garnered through that relationship. With private offers, you can create custom pricing, custom terms and conditions, or even create a bundled price on multiple offers and plans. You can include up to 10 plans in a private offer for your customer. But just as maintaining customer relationships is important, we know maintaining your reseller relationships is also important. This is why we've created the ability to extend private offers to partners in the Cloud Solution Provider program. Through this, you can extend a margin to resellers, incentivizing those resellers to sell your applications and/or maintaining preferred supplier relationships with preferred margin sharing. Partners in the CSP program will be able to discover and transact applications with margins and expand their catalog with new ISV solutions from the commercial marketplace. Join my colleagues Jason and Greg for their session on growing your business and unlocking new markets with CSPs to learn more. Many of our largest enterprise customers have existing agreements like MAC in place. These agreements are becoming increasingly popular, not just in the enterprise, but also in mid-sized accounts. As Mosum stated, in FY22, we saw a 319% increase in customer MAC spend via the marketplace year on year. Customers can come to Microsoft's marketplace knowing that any first or third-party software spend can decrement their MAC. Microsoft is unique in that by default, we match every dollar of spend towards a customer's cloud consumption commitment automatically. There's no need for negotiations or a lengthy approval process. Lastly, but perhaps most importantly, earlier this year, we enabled partners from over 15 geographies to be able to self-attest as a diverse business and upload relevant third-party certificates in Partner Center. Recently, we just made that information available in our commercial marketplace through new and industry-first social impact filters. This means that customers and sellers can now search and discover diverse partner businesses. For those of you currently listed in Marketplace, I encourage you to update your profile in Partner Center today, as this capability is currently rolling out globally. I hope you found some of these features useful and how Microsoft is helping empower you to land enterprise deals. Now, let me hand it back to Mosum to talk through how this has come to life for a few of our partners.
Thanks, Christine. More and more ISVs and SaaS providers are engaging with the marketplace as a primary go-to-market channel. And it's ISVs of all sizes and maturities. But let me highlight just a couple of stories. First off, we have Fortinet, a cybersecurity ISV. I love how Fortinet has embraced this new cloud go-to-market model that now delivers millions monthly for them. To do so, Fortinet created a direct digital model showcasing transactable offers that have allowed them to lower their customer acquisition costs and improve reach. They created self-serve options such as free trials and low-price introductory offers to build their pipeline. By embracing Marketplace as a sales channel and integrating with their customer success process, it allows them to build and grow usage with customers and tailor their needs more specifically. They are leveraging private offers to land larger enterprise deals as well, and accelerating deals by accessing customers' pre-committed spend through Microsoft Azure consumption commitments. Finally, they have extended their sales channels by using Marketplace margin sharing capabilities by providing those margins to cloud solution providers.
Fortinet is a leading cybersecurity company with over 600,000 customers and 11,000 employees.
Our mission in life is to secure the world's infrastructure and secure customers' digital journey. What we've learned is that we want to be where the customers are. Customers are transforming their business, and there's an opportunity to also transform their buying experience.
Fortinet was an early adopter of the commercial marketplace. We started with one product 5 or 6 years ago. We have over 50 different products that can cover the entire attack surface.
What we wanted to do is to meet our customers where the best customer buying experience existed, and that's Marketplace.
We worked with Microsoft on the first self-service program through Azure Marketplace to create a seamless customer journey from awareness through to purchase.
It's often true that the consumption on Marketplace starts out fairly small. We had a government agency, very small consumption dollars, but they had a fairly significant shift to the cloud that was underway. And by engaging, we were able to grow that business to many millions of dollars.
It gives customers the chance to draw down their Azure consumption commitment and reduce the overall cost. It gives our customers the analytics to understand how they consume our solutions.
Our pioneering initiative has influenced our business model. As customers go through their own digital transformation, they expect Fortinet to also digitize the software discovery and procurement process. And that is what drives innovation in this market.
Next up, we have Shook IoT, which is a time series data store app that has since been acquired by Uptake. Shook IoT was similarly able to leverage the marketplace's cloud go-to-market capabilities to grow their business. They were able to go from a standing start to their largest deal within 2 weeks, down from an expected 6 months. And this was all done through leveraging the marketplace.
I'm an early bird, and first thing in the morning, I saw the inquiry come in.
I am not a morning person.
So as soon as he got in, I said, "Hey, Dave,
Look at this email. Look at this email.
look what they're asking for."
They were looking at creating an Azure-based time series data store.
And Dave and I look at each other, and then we say, "Oh yeah," and we have the nod.
The moment was like, holy smokes, someone at a company that we dream of getting involved with is coming to us. Shook IoT is a company that exists to help industrial companies get value from their operating data.
The right information to the right people at the right time with context to make faster, better decisions.
This is the largest deal that Shook IoT was able to land, and it was because of Marketplace that we were able to.
We were able to do everything through the Azure Marketplace immediately.
That allowed us to go from a standing start to a project in a matter of a week or two, as opposed to literally 6 months or so.
It's a whole David and Goliath story, right?
Shook IoT would not exist without Microsoft Azure. So it allowed us to punch way above our weight.
Third up, we have Mural, which is a collaborative Teams application that runs on Azure. This benefits from an integration into both the Teams and the Azure ecosystem. Transacting through the marketplace enabled their customer to retire their customer's Microsoft Azure consumption commitment. And this led to a deal that was 5 times as large as their deal before. Now, let's hear directly from Mural and the team about their experience.
Mural is a collaborative intelligence company and platform that helps teams collaborate and ideate. It's incredibly important that Mural fits seamlessly into the entire Microsoft Teams experience, because that's where we know many of our customers are working every day. Mural is powered by Microsoft Azure, so we're part of the Microsoft cloud.
When you see a solution that was not only built on Teams, but it's also a Teams application that's built on Azure, you're really getting the best of both worlds. You're getting the commercial marketplace benefits and then all of the Azure benefits that Microsoft provides. One area that we're seeing a lot of excitement from customers and partners has to do with MAC, which is the Microsoft Azure Consumption Commitment.
We've already seen how it can simplify the procurement for us as well as for our customers. They're able to have their purchase of Mural count towards their MAC. Because their purchase of Mural was able to count towards their MAC, they were actually willing and able to increase the size of their Mural purchase by 5 times what they had done in the prior year.
The value from a partner perspective is we're really providing a digital destination for cloud go-to-market. So if you build a solution on Microsoft technology, publish that as a transactable offer in our commercial marketplace, you're instantly allowing customers of Microsoft to acquire that software or that service either directly right from the cloud marketplace or in product experience, maybe through a field seller that is familiar and co-selling with your solution, or through our channel. One of the most compelling reasons that a partner would consider building an application for Teams is, first of all, it's the fastest growing product in Microsoft collaboration history. 270 million monthly active users, so you've got a very engaged active user base.
It was a no-brainer decision for Mural and the Mural app for Microsoft Teams to be available through the commercial marketplace.
You too can accelerate your business by leveraging Microsoft's commercial marketplace's go-to-market capabilities. We are investing in programs, resources, and initiatives that meet you where you are. You could be building your first solution, migrating from another cloud solution provider, or selling your established solutions through Marketplace. We're making investments to accelerate any ISV or SaaS provider's growth when building on the Microsoft cloud. To centralize the path for ISVs across Microsoft, we are proud to announce the ISV Success Program is now globally available and in public preview. Built within the foundations of the Microsoft Cloud Partner Program, The ISV Success Program is the path to success for every ISV with curated support to help ISVs build well-architected applications that harness the potential of the entire Microsoft Cloud. To support every ISV, we're debuting a new tier to offer even more support to ISVs. This additional tier offers more Azure credits and more hands-on support to give you the technical guidance you need. These investments are all to help you, which is every SaaS provider and ISV, go to the market in the cloud. Just as you've used the Microsoft Cloud to build and scale your products, you can now go to market in the cloud with our commercial marketplace. This helps you reach and win millions of potential customers, deliver cost-effective growth, and meet customer needs. Do tune in to the session dedicated to the ISV Success Program later today that is held by my colleagues Yvonne and David, and visit microsoft.com/ISV to find out more and apply to join the program. So there has never been a better time to be selling in the marketplace. As Marketplace moves to center stage in our partner strategy, we are offering new incentives designed for ISVs to accelerate their marketplace success. For a limited time, qualified partners can earn up to $20,000 per marketplace offer when listing a transactable solution in the marketplace. Additionally, earn another $10,000 per marketplace offer when reaching bill sales and usage milestones. Get more details at aka.ms/marketplace incentives. The team will put this in the chat for you. Thank you for your time today, and let me hand it back to Christine to close us out with some more next steps.
Thanks, Mozum. I hope you're excited about the opportunities ahead to partner with us, adopt a cloud-first go-to-market strategy, and grow your business through the commercial marketplace. For next steps, firstly, if you're in the process of building a new solution, make sure to visit our new ISV website and join the ISV Success Program, which has recently launched globally. This will help you accelerate the whole process of building and publishing transactable offers on our marketplace. If you haven't already, list your solution on the commercial marketplace and embrace a digital direct model integrated with your sales process. And finally, unlock and accelerate growth using some of the capabilities we've highlighted today, such as private offers, access to Mac pre-committed customer cloud spend, and partner-to-partner margin sharing. Marketplace Rewards will continue to support your success during this phase of your journey by providing the sales, marketing, and technical benefits you need to accelerate performance in the marketplace. Thank you for joining us today.
And enjoy the rest of the Marketplace Summit.